My goal with this video is to show you how to track your own tasks for the week online. So the best way to do this is something you've already seen. If you head over to our schedule and contract page on our Blackboard site, each week I will have a document. It'll be under the week, and you could click that document and it will open up our proposed schedule. And I could show you that here in a second. This schedule is just every day you'll have certain things to do and you're just checking them off. Okay. The other thing that I've created, which is going to be very helpful to everybody, parents, teachers, and also you, is to have tasks on Blackboard to set these tasks under week 1. So under week 1, you could see some of these are actually from this week and I've completed them. I've printed out the login and information sheet, and I've gone through each website, tried to log into each one. So if you were just click this and put as complete, that's going to tell the teacher, it's going to tell you on your dashboard, it's going to not show that this is incomplete because it is due by Sunday. And it is also going to communicate that to parents on the parent portal, I believe, once it comes due. So pretty easy. Again, maybe I'll do another one. Email Mr. Bonacera from your Outlook. If this has been done, you set it as complete. If this, did I go to all Bonacera Zoom meetings? I haven't even started that one yet because it's not even next week. So I could put not started. So this is a great way to simplify things and to give a little bit more ownership of what you're doing each week. And again, if you go to our Blackboard site, to our schedules and contract, and you find the week that we're in, and you click the link, you will find your tasks that need to be completed by a certain date here. Now, I also set some as high priority, and I also sent some other ones as low priority. So that'll also help you understand, hey, which things do I need to get done first? Which things should I focus on? Now, you have some choice there, but I am going to set some priorities. It still means that everything should be done on this task. It just might help you figure out what to do first. Thanks so much.